all the coffee trees were cut down. A little bit of an exaggeration because it's a good thing. See, look at this. It was cut, they cut this at one time because it was not producing fruit anymore. And so now it created new life to produce fruit. Hey, I wanted to show y'all this. Coffee grows best at high altitudes. So right here, we're at 2,000 meters. And I'll show you these coffee plants. They're doing good up here. But you notice they've been cut before. You see that? Right there. So this used to be a good tree, and then they came and they cut it. And why would they do that? The reason why is once it's kind of mature and used up, they'll come and cut it, and it's almost like it's reborn. And you could draw some spiritual applications there, you know. Sometimes we don't want to let go of what we have, what we think we have, but God comes in and He knows what's best for us to cut out a lot of that stuff that is not going to grow anymore. And then He can start us new again. And then we'll have many more years of producing fruit. All right. Once the tree's been pruned, you can see it was cut right there. It will grow back and eventually become healthy again and produce fruit. Lots and lots of fruit. So they know what they're doing when they're cutting it. It's good for the tree. So it seems counterproductive, but that is what the tree needs to continue to produce fruit. Here's some more trees. Man, these things are loaded down. Look at that. These things are ready to be harvested. Some good looking coffee. And y'all can see what I'm talking about. All of these have been cut, and now we're producing new life. And that's really cool to see. You know, God may do that to us. We may think we fully matured, but we're not really producing fruit anymore. And we're using up a lot of sun, a lot of water, a lot of soil, and God may cut us down. And it feels like He's killing us, but He's doing it to create new life so we can be producing fruit for the kingdom of God again. And so that's what it says in the Bible. It says, how do you know you're saved? Look at your life. Are you producing fruit? And those who are truly His, those who are truly God's people, He will prune and cut back if He needs to severely, but not kill. So He can create new life in us, and we'll be producing fruit for Him for several more seasons to go.